from Okinawa.
Where are my flip-flops? Have I lost them? No.
I think the problem when traveling for like a prolonged period of time, I've been in Japan now for 2.5 weeks, is you start forgetting where you put certain things, especially because I didn't need my Havaianas until now. But here in Okinawa, it's very tropical, it's very hot. I need my Havaianas. Where did I put them? When I packed 3 weeks ago, I have no idea. Here, I found them. Quick 7-Eleven haul because there's so many things there I didn't see in either Kyoto or Tokyo. So mandarin orange pineapple sandwich, apples, some matcha as per usual, and an acai smoothie that I pretty much finished. So the ferry I was supposed to go on left 5 minutes ago, but we're here now and it's a gorgeous day with the most gorgeous weather, so I figured we could try to walk to this gorgeous beach that's like 20 minutes away. I'm trying to make the most out of my stupid mistakes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, see you at 5. Okay, so basically this whole island is 8 kilometers long, meaning I can see this whole island in like an hour by bike. So let's cycle around. Yay, thank you. Today is a little bit of a cloudy day, so instead of heading to the beach or like an island like I did the other days I was here, I'm thinking of going to this place called American Village. It's just like 40 minutes away from Naha, which is where I'm staying, and it's supposed to be really pretty, so I think it might be fun. Oh, but first I need to show you guys what I bought yesterday evening. Look at these! I bought 2 Hello Kitty beach tops, one for me and one for my sister. So let me unbox my one so I show you how it looks. I'm so excited. Ah! How cute is this? It's just like a tan Hello Kitty in her bikini eating ice cream. I low-key kind of want to wear it today. I feel like it would be a vibe. Not sure how it goes with my outfit, but we will try. It's so cute! I definitely could wear this out today, but I feel like the other top went better with all the bags that I kind of have to bring to go 40 minutes away from where I'm staying. So that's what we're gonna do. Camera, mini tripod, sun cream, sun hat, and mini bag. Let's go. I am back at Kira's Sushi once again. It was just so good last time. And so cheap, like it's crazy. These 2 salmon nigiri cost me 50p. This one cost me 50p as well. And this specialty cost me £1. Let's eat. Vanilla cookies in the cup, please. Vanilla cookies and macadamia nut. Thank you. Apparently, this is a super popular Okinawa ice cream chain. Here's you. I like the macadamia one.
Hacia la felicidad, como una luz fugaz, un instante que se va, que se va. Trato siempre de pensar
back home. So in honor of it being my third day here today, I thought I could share my do's and don'ts that I've gathered so far from my time here, because I feel like compared to Tokyo and Kyoto, Okinawa is a very different place, and you definitely need to do your research before you go because it's definitely not as touristy and easy to get around as these other very popular Japanese cities. And yes, my eye is red. It's because I was stung by a mosquito on my eyelid and it's calmed down a lot, but it's still a little red, so please ignore. First of all, I would say my highlights of this trip so far has been the islands. Tokashiki Island and Kidaka Island. So if you're planning a trip here, I would say either stay on one of the islands or stay near a ferry port to one of the islands, because I would do this trip again. I think I would pretty much do every day except for maybe one day on the islands because they have been the best part of this trip so far. I think I would also rent a car if I was going here again. Especially if I was going here with someone else, because relying on the buses and public transport hasn't been the easiest. And I'm staying in Naha, which is where the buses and public transport are the most reliable. But going to Kidaka Island, for example, I did miss my ferry by, you know, a few minutes, and then the next ferry was in 3 hours. So it's not ideal to rely on the buses if you're catching ferries and stuff. Plus, like, every time I look up on the maps where I want to go, it would take like half the time with car compared to public transport. And third thing is choose where you're staying really wisely. I'm staying in Naha because I got it recommended because I didn't want to rent a car, and as a solo female traveler, it's just easier to stay here to get around because you have public transport, you have shops, you have restaurants, you have everything. But the street that I'm in is not the nicest, and frankly the area around me isn't the nicest. It's just like a big motorway and loads of like empty buildings and construction sites, and it's not very nice, to be honest. There's one quite nice street which I'll put the name of here. It has loads of shops, it has loads of cafes and place to get matcha and cute things like that, and one like big market, plus it's quite close to the Pottery village. So if you're going to Okinawa, I'm planning on staying in Naha because of the connections. I would stay there because you'll just have a nicer surrounding. Finally, I think the ideal plan for a trip here would have been spend one day maybe exploring Naha, either the day you arrive or a day that it's rainy, and then spend all your other days exploring the islands. Kidaka Island, Tokashiki Island, Zomani Island, there's like loads of them. Book your ferries in advance because they sell out and you have to be early, so book them like night before, 2 nights before. Maybe spend a day going to the aquarium. If you rent a car at the north of the island, it's supposed to be quite pretty as well, but it's just inaccessible if you're relying on public transport. Yeah, I hope that helps. Good morning from Okinawa. It is day 3 and I decided to spend the day here in Naha exploring a little bit because it is really good weather, but I felt a little bit, well not a little bit, quite tired after yesterday's boat ride. So there's this really lovely part of the town called Pottery Village where they sell loads of crockery and handmade things, ceramics and all that. So I decided it'd be fun to spend the day there. I'm looking for a matcha bowl and some like matcha essentials for me and my friends. I already got a whisk, so let's see what we can find.